She's giving Tina Turner with a hint of Beyonce, and I mean, who doesn't love that? Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm bringing you this beautiful curly shaggy haircut wig from GORGIUS. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, subscribe, and second, click that bell. So before we get into this wig review, I want to give a big thank you to GORGIUS for sponsoring this video, and I am so excited to share this unit with you. Also, all the information on this unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. First things first, let's get into this unboxing. So the wig comes in this gorgeous box, which is super cute. It comes with a wig cap, a little pouch for your wig, and it comes with a Q&A pamphlet on how to take care of your wig. And by the way, this pamphlet is so cute. Now let's get into the main event, the main reason we're here, and that is the wig. She is so gorgeous. I mean, look at the curls, look at the color. I love the highlights of this wig. It comes with a bang and a lace. So I am in love. Let's get into the construction of this unit. So the wig comes with 3 combs, one on each side of the wig and one at the back. It also has an adjustable strap so you can adjust the fit of your wig and so that it fits on your head securely. It has wefts, and then it has lace. At the top of the wig you have a natural look. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to adjust the wig with the adjustable straps, and I'm going to put the wig on. But first I have to give myself some praise because she was looking so cute with my wig cap on. So I have a wig cap and several braids, and that's key to having a flat wig. So now I'm just going to put the wig on my head and putting the combs into place and just playing with the hair and seeing how I feel. But I will say this unit is gorgeous. This is a premium fiber Remy human hair blend. So she is a blended unit, and I love that because it gives the appearance of real hair, but it gives the look of synthetic hair, meaning that your hair is going to be in place. The curls won't fall out of place. You won't have to do much to this hair. This hair is low maintenance. It's styled and ready to go, and even if it's raining, snowing, windy outside, it doesn't matter. The curls will stay intact. Your hair will stay in place. But I decided to go ahead and apply some mousse to the unit. It really didn't need it, but I thought adding mousse would make it look even more natural, and that's what I'm always going for, a natural looking unit. But when you're applying your mousse, I would say to scrunch up the hair. Just scrunch it, don't rake it, just scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. So now I'm just having fun with this unit because it's absolutely beautiful and so playful, and I love the volume, so you got to give your hair a good shake. And as you can see, I'm loving it. I really love this wig. Like, it's super cute. I also love the face framing bangs. I love the curls. The curls are super bouncy and soft, and it has a nice shine. So like I said, this is a low maintenance unit. All you have to do is take the wig out the box, give it a good shake, and put it on. So it's a throw on and go glueless unit. It has a true scalp look to it. You look put together with the least amount of effort. The wig is also super comfortable. It's breathable, and I have no complaints with this unit. So now let's style this wig up because I want to see how she would look with a side part. So just taking the hair, pulling the hair to one side, and kind of giving it that side part look, and that's super cute. I'm also going to try to do a half up, half down look, which is super playful and fun, giving 90s vibes. You could also use a claw clip, and that would be cute as well. And And then I wanted to accessorize the unit as well. I got this super cute bedazzled headband, and I'm a headband girl and I'm a hat girl, so I gotta try my units with a headband and a hat. So here it is with the headband. So cute, just fun, gives it that girly princess look. And I love the sparkles. And of course I'm gonna try it with the hats. So I put on my dad hat, a baseball cap, and gave this unit a more sporty feel, which I love. I'm a wig and a hat girl. I just think it does something. Like, of course this wig doesn't need anything, but I love it with the hat. Okay, lovies, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this wig. Do you love this wig as much as I do? I want to know your thoughts. Do you like the bang, the length, the curliness, the color? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with all your friends. Thanks, lovies, and I'll see you in the next